What's good, YouTube? It's Lex on Point, also known as Wavy Creatures, and today, as you can see, I've been looking rough. So everybody that been following me on Instagram, y'all see I haven't been brushing for maybe 2 or 3 days, and today we're gonna try what they call the clay and lay. So I went ahead, bought all the products for the clay and lay. But the only problem that I have with the clay and lay is I don't know how the fuck to do the shit. So I seen Hurricane Henry, he had a video on YouTube, you know. I went ahead and watched it a few times. And then I thought to myself, like, I see my guy Kiss the Wave doing it on Instagram all the time. So I decided to call him, and he gonna go ahead and give me a step-by-step. Pretty much everything that I should be doing or shouldn't be doing. We're gonna go ahead and apply that to whatever this is going on right here. And we're gonna come back with the results. So as I said, I called one of my guys up from Instagram. It's Kiss the motherfucking Wave. And he's gonna pretty much break it down for me, let me know what I should be doing, what I shouldn't be doing. So first things first, I went ahead and I got, you know, the clay. This the right clay?
Oh yeah, you know, that's definitely the right clay. Yes, sir.
I bet. Then I got apple cider vinegar. I heard this is the best.
That's the one I got. Hold on, let me see.
That's the one with the mother.
That's the one I got. Yeah.
Copy. And then I got a whole bunch of oils. So like I did research this week on oils, and I figured out my hair right now needs some peppermint oil. Cause it's really dry and my scalp is itchy, and I just need to get deep up in there. And I probably need like another oil for like moisture. So I was thinking jojoba oil. One of these or something.
So I'm gonna say it like this: jojoba oil is a sealing oil. So it's better if you're trying to seal up moisture and everything. That's best for that. So if you're trying to clean and penetrate and moisturize your hair, jojoba oil is not the oil for it. So you got the pep.
We gonna take this out right now.
Yeah, so we can do that. That's more for when you trying to seal up after a session and everything. That's more of a sealing oil.
Okay.
So, now the peppermint oil, if that's 100%, you know you're gonna have to dilute that with water or another carrier oil in your clay and lay. Cause the peppermint oil, that's gonna make sure. Cause you know peppermint oil, if it's 100%, that shit it can cause irritation. It can cause irritation if you just put it on your skin by itself. So that's why we got diluted water.
So we keeping that oil around. Let me see what other oils I got. Let me just break it down real quick. I got grapeseed oil.
Yeah, that's good.
I got coconut oil.
Yeah, that's a penetrating oil.
I got sweet almond oil.
That's a penetrating oil too.
Eucalyptus oil.
That's an essential oil. Yeah, you can use that. Yeah, that's a penetrating oil too.
I bet. So I got all those oils. So I got tea tree oil as well.
Oh yeah, that's a real good oil. My man, shout out to Rag Diller. He be fucking with that shit right there. That's his favorite oil. He put me onto that little tea tree oil in the clay and lay.
Facts. So right now, do I use all of these oils, or do I just pick like 2, 3?
If I was you, you don't need to put all that in there. I'd say if I was you, you like the peppermint oil. I'd say use the peppermint oil. Use the sweet almond oil. Use sweet almond, or you can go coconut or tea tree. One of those two. All you need is 3 oils for it.
All right. So I think today I'm gonna hit it with the coconut oil, the peppermint, and the tea tree oil. I'm gonna just not. I'm not gonna do the almond oil because that's actually one of my favorite oils for shine.
Yeah, I feel you.
So I love putting that on a plastic bag and just hitting it one time. But yeah, so all right, bet 3 oils. I got those 3 oils to the side. I was told I'm supposed to use a plastic bowl and a fork. Is that true?
Yeah, you can't use metal with clay. Nah, you can't.
All right, cool. And then, all right, so walk me through this. Once I make that mix.
I'm gonna tell you it's best to use a spoon, because that fork, you're gonna be chopping all through that hoe. That thing thick. I'm gonna let you know that now.
Use a spoon?
Use a plastic spoon.
All right, we're gonna get rid of this shit right now. Get rid of that shit. All right, so once I make the mix, do I just like I seen Hurricane Henry? I think he did a wash and lay.
Yeah. All right. So what I did was I washed and styled my hair first to make sure I clean my hair real good. So first, like I said, I wash in style, and I wash it out with a stocking cap. Like I don't normally wash the shit out with a stocking cap. But if I was you use a mesh rag, 'cause that's better to wash the shit out.
Okay.
So you use that, and you wash out the washing style. After you do that, and you come back, and then that's when you do the clean lay. And then that's really gonna clean and lay down your hair like that. That's really gonna detoxify your hair.
So I do it when my hair is still wet from the I rinse it off in the shower, whatever the case may be is. Take the do-rag off and then go ahead and apply the clay.
Yeah, go ahead and apply the clay, and then let that sit on your head for a second. Like after you rag that up, let that sit on your head for a second. You apply it to your face and everything. If you want to put it on your face, and then you let it sit there until it dries your hard and everything. Then next thing you know, you just wash it out. Or you can do it like this. My man, OG Glenn, he had to put a plastic bag on top of it, but then put a stocking cap over top, and he steamed it in his hair so it can really like detoxify his pores and everything. And he rinsed it out like that, and that still had him busting. Yeah.
Copy. So now I don't expect no results like you or nothing, because I don't really put in that brushwork.
No.
But we're going to see.
Don't say that. No, don't say that. That shit going to have you might be sleeping now. That shit going to have you busting, because your hair going to be laid like no other shit. Like, it's just going to be, it's like when you do it, you're going to feel it. You're going to feel how nice it is. Day, when she do it, her curls look way better, like immediately. And she don't brush her hair like me. So that means I know that clay and lay going to get you right. Trust me. Your hair going to be looking right.
Copy.
Yeah.
Alright, so let me go ahead and do this, and hopefully I catch one of your lives later. Let them know where they can find you at on Instagram or social media.
Hey, kiss the wave, DA wave, man, just like that, just straight like that. You gonna find me. You gonna see me and my girl in the picture somewhere. Find me on her page. Y'all gonna find me. Shit.
Copy. Alright, bro, appreciate you. Alright, so we got it at the consistency that I think it's supposed to be at. It's kind of loose, but kind of thick still at the same time. So I think this is good. People said pancake batter. I'm not gonna lie, my pancake batter is not like water, so it's kind of thick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do what my guy Kiss told me to do. Now he said I gotta get into the washing style. I'm gonna do my washing style right here. Normally I do it for about an hour and a half. I think I'm gonna cut that in half today. I think I'm gonna just do like 20, 30, 45 minutes tops. But enough talking, more brushing. Let's get it. I done washing style, probably, like I said, 25, 30, 35 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead, hop in the shower, rinse this out, come back, take this off, and we're going to get to the clay part of this clay and lay. All right? Stay with me. All right, so we back. I'm going to just pretty much take this off, go ahead, apply the clay. I'm going to put it in my hair and my face, and then rag back up, rinse it out, show y'all the results. So we got the mix that I made earlier, as y'all can see. one thing that I saw Hurricane Henry do that Kiss the Wave did not mention, he took a spray bottle and just kept spritzing his hair. And he said he was molding it. So, like, I'm going to do that for a little bit. Yeah, it was coming right through his stocking cap. Stuck on my face. I could talk regular, so I don't know why I'm talking like I can't really move my mouth. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just hop back in the shower, rinse all this off. Alright, and I'm back, and I gotta show you guys these results. I fell asleep last night. It's 6:37 in the morning right now, and I'm gonna just go ahead and take this off. But before I take this off, I just want to let y'all know that I did put it on my face. And immediately when I like rinsed it off, my face felt super, super dry. And it was like kind of itchy feeling. And I told myself, I'm like, let me just go to sleep. When I wake up, let's see how it feels. Right now, my face feels super moisturized. And it gives me that illusion that like my face, you know, like it reset itself with the natural oils that I needed and stuff like that, so it's not too much. And my face is like always dry, besides the fact that I got crusties because I just woke up. But like, it's mad clean and clear feeling right now. But enough about that. Y'all want to see my hair? Let me just go ahead and show you that. Watch my last video, you would know that this is my weak side. This was my weak side, and clearly I worked on it. But the clay lay, does it work? I want you guys to leave a comment below. Did it work for me? Will you try it? Once again, shout out to my guy Kiss the Wave. Shout out to Hurricane Henry for also being the first video that I've ever saw on the clay lay. And I hope you guys keep giving me more video ideas because I'm going to keep dropping videos. But I got to go to work. It's 6:41. I got to leave in the next like 3 minutes. So I'm going to just probably put one of these silkies on until I get to work and I'll take it off. But y'all don't need to see me do this. Y'all see me do this a lot. So I'm off this.
Bird off, but I think you look way better with your clothes off. You even these come right bird off, but I think you look way better with your clothes off. Don't care, you go, but I don't care. When you wanna check it.